I'm very happy to announce that now 9CIRCLE is an official supplier for automotive maintenance equipment and chemicals to Toyota Vietnam.
Only people Korean.
Seal. Water disappear. Go mix with the oil. Toyota chemical cannot mix. Today we are at Toyota dealership in Vietnam, Ho Chi Minh. Today we are going to do some training on how to use 9CIRCLE equipment, because starting in 2025, all Toyota dealerships in Vietnam will start using 9CIRCLE products for their standard maintenance services.
Oiling how to flushing mode. Nó bán cái thải đi nó sẽ liên kết làm.
NineCircle is also very happy to announce that starting May 2025, we are also going to be an official supplier for Honda dealerships in Vietnam. Honda Service Center on how to use NineCircle equipment, because this month, May 2025, they will start using our equipment for the standard maintenance procedure.
Dòng xe châu Âu thì nó sẽ dùng là xe trang như thế này, mình bạn làm sao cho là mình khi mình lắp ý thì mình cần trên.
This all you can also use it in power steering, transmission, fuel tank, no problem. They will start using NineCirCle equipment and chemicals for their standard maintenance procedure, meaning every time a car comes to the Honda dealership to change oil, they will use NineCirCle products to perform the engine oil service. They will do the engine flush using NineCirCle CT9 engine flush machine or chemicals as a standard procedure for their maintenance.